तुम्ही पळयला ती डे 1 ऑफ सनबर्न एक हिशोब जाल्लो थिंगा की एक स्टेजीर सावंड क्रॉस जाल्लो आनी मागीर DYSP गेल्लो थिंगा जिब्बा बद्दल बी आनी तेणें ती स्टेज बंद केली म्युजीक बंद केलो म्हणल्यार स्टेज बंद जालो हांव एक सांगूं सोदतां तुमकां की हांव पासून पर्सनली गेल्लो थिंगा पळोवपाक कितें चलता आनी थर्ड पार्टी व्हेरीफाय करपाक लोक कंप्लेन करता कंप्लेन फरें न्ही जाल्यार ऑर एक्चुअली वायोलेशन चालू आसा हांव पावलो तेन्ना सावंड हांव फरें एडमीट करता लो आशिल्लो म्हणल्यार इट वॉज नॉट डिस्टर्बींग नॉट हर्टींग पूण सेम टायम हांव पावलो तेन्ना तें एक स्टेजीचेर शटडावन जाल्लो हायकोर्टान इनकॉर्पोरेट केला कलेक्टराचे एक्शन प्लॅन आनी ते एक्शन प्लॅनाक कितें आसा हांव तें वाचतां The Noise Pollution Enforcement Committee will consist of the team headed by the Additional Collector 3, म्हणल्यार तो पुंडलीक कोरजवेंकर थिंगाचो म्हापशेचो, along with the SDPO and the officials from GSPCB, and will be positioned at the venue. This enforcement team will direct the organizing team to rectify the violations, and they will be given a duration of 10 minutes to bring the sound level within the prescribed limits. म्हळ्यार तूं वायोलेट केलें जाल्यार तुका टायम लिमीट 10 मिनटांची दितात देंवोवपाक. Now the next part. In the event of failure of the organizing team to bring the noise within the limits, the instruments of sound amplifying devices stroke loudspeakers will be seized by the enforcement committee. समजायला कितें म्हणटा? It is not simply shutdown. Shutdown will happen when the seizure takes place. So my question is, if there was a violation of the sound and you were trying to stop any one stage because of the sound violation in compliance with the High Court direction and in compliance with the collector's order, then there is no question of simply shutting down without seizing the equipment. How कित्याक सांगता? Today is the last day for Sunburn. And God forbid, it may be a free for all. Like Zokmar, today last day I'm वयतले, मागीर पळोवया कितें जातलें. It should not happen. If you have defaulted, that will be taken up when the matter comes up in the High Court as to what action should have been taken and not taken, whether there's a violation of the High Court order, even in compliance. Today, if this situation continues, then I would say the law enforcement authorities must seize the equipment. Not simply stop the music, must seize the equipment. So this is the first part which I want to highlight. I want to bring it to the attention of the authorities so that they should know what are the wordings, because I don't expect them to carry order in their hand and pocket and start opening and reading at that time. They already know what it is. They know what are the duties they have to perform and I think they will perform in accordance with law. And if they fail, then they will be held accountable for it. On the other aspect, how confused जाता third party. तुम्ही म्हणटात तेन्ना खंयचे इव्हेंट आहा तेन्ना तुमचींत एक सिंगल इव्हेंट, इट कॅन बी आउटसायड अ होटेल, इट कॅन बी अ सिंगल इव्हेंट, तूं इक्विपमेंट सीज केलें तेन्ना तो फूल शो बंद जाता. How do you distinguish between stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and say sound has been violated? Because you are not in a closed door or a funnel like situation where you are receiving only that inputs from there. It has to be, the ambient noise is to be discounted, and then you are going to take the actual sound which is causing the problem. So how was it distinguished that only stage 1 was and not stage 2 and stage 3 or any other stage? I don't know how many stages there are. So you understand what I'm saying. That will be another matter which will have to be worked out, studied, and we'll have to take it up. So these are two issues relating to sunburn, which I want the authorities to make sure that they act in accordance with law, because this kind of a action which has been taken, in my view, is an eyewash. It is only, according to me, photobak ki kelemon bon kelemon. Your direction is not bon korpa, your direction is seize the equipment. So that should have been done.